Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to a gorgeous evening in Los Angeles. Happy New Year to you all. HOA and I are so excited to be pouring for you guys. Just wanted to wish you guys a lot of love and peace and happiness and good health and prosperity from our house to yours. So have a wonderful New Year. Let's paint. So this is an 18 by 24 inch gallery wrap canvas from Artist Loft. I have taped and pinned the back, and I have painted my sides and edges with one of my colors. Let me show you the colors because they're really pretty. This one is Golden's Turquoise Pthalo. Such a gorgeous, gorgeous color. One of my absolute favorites. So rich and so deep. It does dry a little darker than this, but absolutely stunning color. This one is Lumiere by Jacquard. This is their copper. I'm very excited about this because I love this color. It's so pretty. Okay, the next one we have is Golden's Pyrole Orange with just a little bit of leftover Febio iridescent orange yellow. But 90% of it's Pyrole Orange, so. Okay, and we have some Liquitex Basics Cadmium Yellow Deep. Very, very pretty color. I've had really good luck with this one, and I really like it a lot. And this one started out as the Liquitex Turquoise Blue, but I added some white to it just to pale it down a little bit more because I really wanted more contrast between these two. Okay, and I also have a big giant tub of Amsterdam Titanium White. So, what we are going to do, we're going to be doing a flip cup, but we're going to do it a little different. I want to layer white in between all of these colors, and see what happens when we flip it out. So we're going to start with a nice layer of white in both of them. Not super, super thick, not super, super thin. That's a little thicker than I wanted, but it'll be okay. I'm going to put a layer of turquoise in both. So this is not a sandwich pour, so we'll see what happens. Layer of white. Whoop, I got to pull fast. I'm going to put a layer of copper in. Smaller layer of white this time. Some of the orange. White. So this should kind of give us the effects of a sandwich pour because of all the white in there. Our yellow now. Another layer of white. I don't know if this is going to do what I wanted it to, but we'll see. And some of that lighter turquoise. We're going to end this with one more layer of the darker turquoise on top. Okay. I'm going to bring this over. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love. Semper Parevis.
Okay. There's one. Let's do this one now. Ready? Mm-hmm. There's two. Alright, I'm really curious to see what happens with this. So I guess this would be Flippus Cuppus Experimentus. Mm-hmm. Alright, you ready, darling?
Yep.
You're gonna lift it straight up and look at it. Here we go. Ooh. Okay. I'm just gonna lip right through there. And maybe a very small one through here. Okay. Maybe finger paint.
I'm so surprised you didn't use your finger. And then you use your finger.
Okay. You ready, honey?
Yep.
Here we go. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay. Okay. I like it. I'm happy.
Exactly what I thought it was going to look like.
Okay. It's cool looking. Let's torch it. cell testing. Alright, I'm going to put a little bit of white around the edges. Just on the corners. This is so pretty in here. I love this little section with the turquoise with the orange cells. Very, very pretty. I don't know why I did that, because there was a bubble. Alright, so let's dance. Let's take this down this way first. Go off that corner. Come back. Since the paint is there. I don't want to lose that. Darn it. I do, however, want to lose that on the bottom.
Little inchworm?
This. Tape. Inchworm.
He's gone already.
Yeah. You know what's funny is I was really worried about that copper, about it getting like muddy looking. But I talked myself out of not using it, so I did use it. And it's kind of looking muddy-ish. I'm going to take some of this off on this side so we can open it up. Because I like what's happening in the middle the most. Actually, I'm having this urge to do another cup without the copper. What do you think? I think I want to. So I think the result of the experiment of adding the white in between each layer gave us a lot of similarities to the sandwich pour, but there's a little more blending than I want. So I am actually going to layer another cup. Okay. Maybe we will leave out the cup. I don't know. Alright, we're going to put a little bit of white at the bottom. Not as much this time. Ooh, I have a lot of turquoise left. Darn it. Turquoise. Very small layer of white. Yellow. Orange. Copper. Bigger layer of white. The last of the turquoise. Okay, maybe put a little white. One more layer of yellow in there. And some more white on top. Okay. Okay. Round 2. Ready, darling?
Yep.
Right in the middle. Maybe I didn't have enough magic taps. Okay, ready? Okay, we're going to go through here, and we're going to go through here. Ooh, that's cool. Let's start it. pretty over here. I love that edge. Okay, let me go this way first. And just walk this down. Back to center. We're gonna go to this edge now. I really don't want to lose that. Those orange cells are really, really cool. Still a lot of paint moving on here pretty quickly, so. Okay. Cool looking. Still feels muddy in this corner. Let's see if we can get some of that off. Open this up more. Let's keep going.
Let's get rid of that scorpion tail.
This thing?
Yeah.
Yeah. Get rid of this or keep it, do you think?
Get rid of it.
Just a chance to get back towards the center and even everything out. Really pretty. That's cool. I love that section down there with the turquoise and the green and the orange. Very, very pretty. Okay. I do see the copper in there now. You can hear. All right. That's looking pretty cool. What do you think, HOA?
I like it. I like the textures.
It was an interesting experiment to see what would happen alternating the white with every color. I think I can say that I didn't really care for the result. So while the experiment worked, I don't feel it was successful. But I like this a lot better. I love all these cells that are coming up. I like the very soft, flowy feeling. There's a lot of movement, which is cool. So this is kind of neat. I will show you guys when it is dry. Thank you so much for hanging out with us tonight. We'll be right back. There's a lot of transparency in there. It's cool. composition. I love this right here. It's so pretty. Okay, this is a few days later. Sorry, we are not outside. It is still wet and rainy and gross. So we are inside with our dried results. This one came out pretty cool. I love these colors. The golden turquoise is fantastic, and the Liquitex turquoise is awesome. I really like the Pyrole Orange and the yellow. I'm not getting too much yellow in this one, but it's very, very pretty. But I do like this composition a lot better than the first one that we poured. And I think that experiment of using multiple layers of white between each other color was pretty cool and gave us kind of a sandwich pour feeling. So there's some really cute little cells in here. I really like this corner the most, where we see that turquoise and that kind of softer green with the turquoise and the yellow in the corner. So this is cool. Fun little experiment. Flippus cuppus experimentus. Thanks for being here, everybody. We love you guys a lot, and we'll see you real soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.